Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can merge and split PDF using WPS Office application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WPS Office application on my computer and I'm going to tap on new and then select PDF. And here we can choose either we want to combine or split, and let me choose this one. Okay, and you can choose the PDF files you want to combine. I'm just going to pick a random files from my device and we can click on open and then we can click on convert. Okay, and as you can see guys that we need to subscribe to WPS if you want to split or merge PDF file. But don't worry, because here I'm going to show you the alternative if you can't subscribe to the WPS Office. Okay, I'm going to go to my browser and here we can search for this website, ilovepdf.com, and then you can choose either merge PDF or split PDF, and I'm going to choose merge. Select PDF files and then I'm going to choose PDF files from here. Okay, and then you just need to click on merge, and after that you will be able to download the merged PDF just like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to merge or split PDF using WPS and the alternative as well. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.